channel. So today what I decided was to do a tutorial on cutting and shaving. So before we get started, I am not a certified barber, nor am I here to promote any of the clippers or razors that I use. I'm just here to show those individuals who may need a tutorial to help them and guide them on cutting and shaving. So here we go. So the first thing I usually do, since I have long hair, is put it in a ponytail. So let's do that now. So what I'm going to be doing today is fading the sides and the back and lining up my hair and also shaving as well. Okay. Alright, so I have my ponytail. You see that? Alright. Go ahead and brush the front. So I'm brushing the front. See that? Alright. Alright, so I have it in a ponytail. So what I'm going to do first is save down the sides, and then I'm going to get the back and do the same thing, save it down, and then I'm going to line it up. And then once I'm done with that, then I'm going to shave. So you see the before, how it looks, and then I'm going to show you the after. Okay? Alright, so here we go. Let me go ahead and get all the tools. You'll need a mirror, and you need a mirror here as well. One behind you and one in front of you. Then you're going to need some clippers. So since it's kind of down already, I'm just going to use this. This is all I'm going to use today. This is usually for lining and fading your hair. Usually I use my bigger clippers, but I'm just going to use this. And I'm going to use this guard here to help me fade. And that's all I'll be using, okay, as far as my hair goes. And then I'll show you what I use to shave, okay? Alright. So first thing I usually do is put the battery in, because this is wireless. So put that in. And there you go. See that? Now you're ready. But before I cut, I always put some grease on the clippers so you get a better cut. So what I do is just put it on there, pour it on there, just a little bit. There you go. And then you have a little brush where you can brush through the clippers, front and back on the sides. You see that? Let me show you. So front, back, sides. You see that? Alright, now the next thing is you're going to put on the guard. These are known as guards. You see that? Guard. Alright, so I'm going to do the front part first. So here we go. Before I start, one last thing. This is a good way to avoid huge mess. I usually get like a paper bag or a garbage bag to put over the sink, so you don't have to clean up as much. So see, you just put it on like that. There you have it. Alright, so here we go. disgusting. You need a little comb. So let me get the comb. You need a comb. So you comb the sides like that. Sounds like these batteries are going low, so let me go ahead and replace this one. So I'm cutting a little bit faster, so I want to give